guys, today I will take you with me at work at MOTOREX, and then after work we go training on the motocross bike, and after this we're gonna clean it and take care of the bike, and I show you some of the products that I use.
Oh, ich brauche ein Poolfahrzeug.
Ja, super.
Also,
Nein, das ist gut. Du kannst gerne hier die Liste eintragen. Perfekt, super.
Danke.
Das Auto wäre hinten auf dem Parkplatz.
Das ist gut. Merci beaucoup. Tschüss.
Morgen, Loris. Wir sollten noch Wildkinder haben, das Poolfahrzeug. Jawohl. Ja. Vielen Dank. Merci. Tschüss. I show you now some of our cars. As you can see, here is our parking for the pool cars. This is part of my job to take care of all these cars, also the cars of all employees. And yeah, now show you some more. Here we have some that just came back, that some of them we sell and others go to other employees later. And yeah, now I take this one. And we have to go to the Straßenverkehrsamt. So now we are here in the office for the vehicle, but yeah, as you can see, there is already traffic, so yeah, we're gonna wait and see. Yeah, so that was how we do it, like after training, to clean the bike and take care of everything. Now I present you my favorite 3 products of MOTOREX. I really like the glass cleaner. When the bike is still a little bit dirty, you can just put the foam on the bike, and then the dirt gets, it can soak in, and you can put on the dirt really easy. And yeah, after it's already clean, I really like the Moto Shine. Yeah, when it's already clean, you just put this on a paper, and then you can make it shine, and it's really nice. Also, when it's a mud race, we can put Moto Shine on the bike, and then the dirt doesn't stick so bad on the bike, and yeah, your bike is just lighter and cleaner. This is really nice. And also a really nice product is MX50. For example, you can use this for the foot pegs, that they are like looser and not and also for the brake lever and foot brake, everything like this. Everywhere you have a joint, you can use MX50, and this works really nice. Yeah, these are my 3 favorite products, and I can recommend all of these for you.